I'm Kate, and I'm the South East Coordinator for the Marine Conservation Society. I'm the Volunteer and Community Engagement Manager. There's the shock, their surprise about what happens in the natural environment. You can see the reality sort of dawning on a lot of people, because some of this information, as I say, it's scary. And we've created a plastic problem, so to speak, and we've now got to sort of clean it up. So it affects absolutely everybody. So yeah, it's great to sort of spread that awareness and get as many people involved as we can.
We were given a bit of an educational talk on plastics and pollutants, which was really quite eye-opening in just how prevalent plastics are and how long it takes for them to degrade and the impact they have on the environment. And then after that we had a friendly quiz where we were broken up into teams, again just learning more about plastics and pollutants.
A lot of people found the quiz quite useful in terms of appreciating that the problem is a lot bigger than they potentially thought, and that more work needs to be done around it as well.
One exercise that we did that was quite sobering was to pick up a few plastic items, glass items, and figure out how long it would take for them to disintegrate. And some of these time frames are absolutely horrifying. If you think about, the disintegration progress for plastic is between 450 and 1,000 years. I would have thought we would get so excited about finding trash.
Yeah, my competitive spirit is coming out a bit again.
I'm the winner. A working bike light. I'd say definitely come. It's a day out of the office with my colleagues, which has been fun. Got to know a few people I didn't know before. Yeah, we've got a beautiful day for it.
You learn so much on the day, and there's so much more that you can be doing, and it's just great to get out of the office and actually be doing something on the ground, especially on a day like today.
Come with your teammates or come alone. There are people here who have come by themselves. We're all one big happy firm and give something back to the community.
If people want to get involved, obviously that's exactly what we want. Please do. Go on the Marine Conservation Society website, have a look. There's a huge number of things in there that you can get involved with community-wise. So beach cleans are just one of them. So just head to mcsuk.org and have a look.